Hello everyone, this is a WiiMedia tutorial video. This video demonstrates how to use WiiMedia's accent clone dubbing feature. It is widely used in video dubbing for global audiences, suitable for film, TV, and microdramas alike. Log into WiiMedia, access the Enterprise VIP portal from the upper right corner. Here, you can create and manage projects in batch. Click New Project to add a project. Simply enter a project name to complete the creation. Now, let's start a dubbing tasks in this project. Open the project. We'll see 5 functional modules in this area. Remember, 2 media assets are required in clone dubbing process: the original video and target subtitle in SRT format. I bet you must have the video. If you don't have the subfile, we can make it easily in Video Subtitling module. WiiMedia supports automatic subtitle retrieval and AI translation. How to make it? You need Video Subtitling module. Please refer to our Video Subtitling tutorial for detailed guidance, which we won't elaborate on here. Once the target subtitle is ready, no downloading is needed. Directly return to the task list to proceed with next steps. Now that we've obtained the target subtitles through video subtitling, we can proceed the accent dubbing stage. It takes only 5 steps to get a refined dubbing result. First, click the Clone Dubbing button here. Choose suitable ways to connect with your media assets and select dubbing languages. WiiMedia supports multiple target languages in one task. Then, upload the source videos along with the target subtitle files in SRT format. While we acquired target sub through video subtitling earlier, therefore, use Select Existing Videos is more convenient. This way, existing materials will be synced automatically to this dubbing task. To use existing materials, such as clean videos after sub-erasing, saves both time and cost. Similarly, processed assets within one project can be used to create multiple distinct tasks. This saves you time by eliminating repeated video uploads. Finally, click OK and starts AI processing. When the task status shows Ready, we can start Step 2, Role Recognition. With numerous characters, dialogues, and complex relationships, there's no need for manual mapping and division. Simply click the Role Recognition button here. WiiMedia will automatically handle this complex process, and we just need to wait briefly. After the automatic recognition is completed, you can review the AI-recognized results in Role, which is Role Management Dashboard. As we know, accuracy of role assignment significantly impacts dubbing quality. While WiiMedia offers advanced capabilities, the system automatically identifies multidimensional character details, such as names, genders, portraits, and corresponding lines. This allows you to efficiently review results. If any issue, direct modifications can be made here. With this role management section, a greater control over role recognition is made possible. AI-powered efficiency paired with human refinement delivers an unmatched dubbing experience. Go on, with this done, we've reached the first milestone in clone dubbing. Now on to Step 3, Dubbing. Let's return to the task list. Select one or more tasks and click the Global Dubbing button below. You will see some functional choices, powerful and for free. Regarding the dubbing generation mode, we highly recommend Smart Dubbing, which saves lots manual work. It has certain benefits and enhance overall performance, especially when a character has many short lines in a row. It will technically adjust and calculate when dubbing results in a more natural speech pattern with suitable pauses. Here, Intelligent Alignment is a smart choice to achieve audio-visual sync automatically. Intelligent Polishing is for text refinement usage, addresses long subtitles which are not suitable for dubbing. AI will shorten text length automatically, without altering the original meaning much, thus better matching the duration. However, Retain Original Translation will keep lines as original. After selection, click Start. Let's wait for a moment. as the system performs audio track separation, voice cloning, clone dubbing, and automatic sync, etc. Once status shows ready, it means the above-mentioned processes are done. For many users, we can stop here if you accept the AI works after listening. For many, they want to add human touch and their own features to AI results. Then, let's start step 4, manual fine-tuning. This is a hallmark capability of WiiMedia's Clone Dubbing. It caters to users demanding high-quality AI dubbing and willing to work with AI to refine the results. Again, open the tasks to enter the editing or fine-tuning page. Flexible adjustment options are provided here, allowing modifications to subtitles, audios, etc. Modified results can be previewed in real time on the left video panel. If you encounter incorrect role assignments, we can modify the character and redub the sentence here. We also provide comprehensive smart tools to help you inspect and fine-tune more efficiently. For example, how to retain the original emotional tone in dubbing. Though, inherently, it copies the emotional features already. However, when the original voice samples contain interference or lack sufficient duration, emotion will be compromised. In such cases, select the sentence we want to fine-tune, then hover your mouse over the Dub Current segment icon, choose the desired emotion to enhance, and click to redub. Alternatively, you can simply click this button directly. The system will automatically adjust the line's speed, intonation, pauses, and emotions to generate a new audio for you. You can repeat this process until you achieve a satisfactory result. Here's more good news. Sentence redub comes at no additional charge. Same as the multi-sentence merge dubbing, except the former applies only to single sentences, while latter combines consecutive single segments of one character into one long segment for redubbing. No worry, it won't change the opening and ending timestamps for this merged period. You may notice that there are some audio overlaps. It is caused by too much words or wrong timing. It doesn't matter, you can manually edit lines to shorten here. Alternatively, use the AI Polish tool to tweak line lengths and fit the video's timing. Of course, you can also use the simplest method, dragging audio clips to alter playback speed and timestamps. Based on our experience, please try to keep playback speed in the range of 0.8 to 1.3 times of original speed, or it may drift away from natural. Sometimes, we want to retain specific original audio elements, such as songs and key sound effects. Left-click and draw here, a new audio track appears. After each episode's manual adjustments, remember to click Subtitle Align here. System will automatically add audio-video synchronization. It not only saves your adjustments, but also sync all sub-timestamps. Then, return to the task list and set your burnt-in subtitle styles. Now comes to the final step, video generation and exportation. Thank for being with me this far. We are just one step away from a good clone dubbing work. Back to task page and select the tasks you want to export. Separate subtitles, clean videos, dialogues, and BGM can be directly exported, while the final video with dubbing and burnt-in sub needs to be generated before exporting. Click Generate Dubbing Results and choose items you want. With this pop-up page, gives you extra choice, keep the BGM or not. It means we can export a final video without BGM, in case you want to change one in post-production stage. Also, remember to embed the target subtitles into the video. Enable the Smart Subtitle Alignment here as well, to add the final layer of sync security. Once results are generated, you can download the final work for further usage. That's it. This concludes the WiiMedia Clone Dubbing tutorial. WiiMedia caters to comprehensive dubbing projects, extending far beyond AI dubbing alone. Thank you for watching. If you need further assistance or wish to schedule a demo, please feel free to contact us.